everyone, I'm so excited to share with you some fun hairstyles for back to school. I picked out 3 of some of our favorite go-to styles to share with you, and they're simple and quick and can be done within 5 minutes. The first hairstyle I'm going to show you is a ponytail hairstyle, and I am first starting out by putting in my daughter's detangler. I put this in my daughter's hair every morning and then brush it through. If you'd like to know what detangler I use and the brush, just click the link below in the description that says products that I use. Next, I'm just going to sweep the hair up into a ponytail, and then I wet the hair down with either water or spray gel. Then I'm going to smooth it out with my brush. And then I'll hold it in place with a thick elastic. From there, I'm just going to divide the hair in half, and with the right side of the hair, I'm going to put it into a 3-strand braid. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. We post new tutorials on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Once I get to the bottom of my braid, I'm just going to tie it off with a colorful elastic. I think the one I used was brown. In the link below, you can find all of the elastics that I use. Next, I'm going to take the braid and wrap it around the remaining hair 3 times. And then I'll gently tug at that hair before I tie it off with another elastic at the bottom. This is just a quick ponytail. It looks a little bit extra special than just a normal ponytail, and I can do it in just a matter of minutes. Our next hairstyle is a half-up hairstyle. So I'm going to put a side part on my daughter's hair, and then I'm going to make a diagonal slice at the front, and I'm going to tie it off with a brown elastic. And then I'll just flip that ponytail out of the way. Then I will make another ponytail underneath at the diagonal, add in my first ponytail, and tie it off with another brown elastic. Usually I have to wrap these around 3 to 4 times for them to stay nicely in place. Then I'll just gently pull at the top of it to bubble it up just slightly. And then I'll repeat those same steps. On the right side, I'm just making sure that I have a nice part line on the right side. And then I'll continue with my diagonal down and gently tugging at the ponytail after I put it in place. I think any hairstyle can really be dressed up if you add a bow to it. So when I'm doing a simple 5-minute style, I always make sure to add a cute bow to it, and it just finishes it so nicely. If you guys are liking these tutorials, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. A tip I wanted to give you is to take out these elastics. Just use your seam ripper, pull it away from the hair, and pop them out. My final hairstyle that I'm going to show you is my favorite go-to hairstyle for my girls, and it is front pigtail messy buns. So I am just dividing the hair in half, and I'm going to take my elastic and I'm going to put it in twice, and then on my 3rd time I'm just going to pull up part of the hair. I'm going to repeat that on the other side, making sure I get a nice clean part line in the back. And I definitely use spray gel to get all of those flyaways down in place in the front. Now the trick to messy buns is to not worry about them, just go for them, because they're not going to look the same on both sides. So this is how I do it. I take the remaining hair and I just wrap it around the bun that I already put in place. Then I'm just going to scrunch the hair down around what I just put in. And then I'm going to take another elastic and wrap it around 2 times. And then I'm going to scrunch the hair out. I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side. So I'm just going to wrap the remaining hair around the bottom, pull the hair and scrunch it down to the bottom, wrap the elastic around 2 times, and then pull it out. From here, I think you need to add in your front bows before you put in any bobby pins. Then if you have weird hairs sticking up, just put a little bobby pin in and you're good to go. Don't worry if they match. They're supposed to be different and whimsical. And I just think it looks so sweet. I hope you guys like these back to school hairstyles. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our hair tutorials.